Hey, it's Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to make a photo slideshow in Google Slides. I'm going to start out in my Google Drive, and I'm going to go to New, Google Slides. This is very similar to PowerPoint. It's going to come up with a blank slide, and over here I've got some choice of themes. You can use a theme if you want to. If you're going to make your photos full screen, the full size of your slide, then it won't matter what kind of theme that you choose. So you could start with a title slide. It default starts you off with a title slide. So you could start off with a title slide, or not if you don't want one. Notice here I have a place for a subtitle. It says click to add subtitle. But in my thumbnail over here, it's blank underneath there, and that's because those placeholders do not show up in my actual slideshow until I type something in there. So if you're not going to use those placeholders, don't worry about having that filler text there. It won't be there. I'm going to go to Slide, New Slide, and you can do these layouts however you want. I'm going to use the Layout button up here. If you want to do a photo with a caption next to it or whatever, you're certainly welcome to do that. I'm just going to do blank and start inserting my photos. So I'm going to go up here to Insert Image. You can upload them from your computer if you want. I'm just going to go to Drive and choose some photos that I have in Google Drive. So I can actually click multiple photos if you want to add more than one photo to the same slide. And it nicely arranged those for me. I'll do Slide, New Slide. By default will give me the same layout that I had on the last slide. So my last one was blank. My next one will be blank too. Insert Image from Drive. I'll do just one this time. Notice as I drag the photo around, that those red lines pop up to show me where things are centered or aligned with each other. If I had more than one, it will also do aligning more than one photo. So this red line is showing me it's lined up with the bottom or top of the slide, or centered both ways. You can also make images bigger or smaller. If you want to rotate an image, this little circle at the top lets you rotate an image. And I'm just going to add one more image. And I think I don't want this slide, so to get rid of this slide, I'm going to right-click and choose Delete Slide. And now I'm ready to publish my slideshow. So I want to first give it a title. And so if I click up here where it says Untitled Presentation, it will automatically fill in whatever is the first text I have on the first slide. So I had typed in a title, and it automatically gives my document the same name. You don't have to give it a name, but sometimes that pops up when people are viewing your slideshow, and it's a little more professional to have a title than to have it say Untitled Presentation. So I'm going to publish it. I'm going to go to File, Publish to the Web. And I want to embed this in my eClass page. So I'm going to click on the Embed tab, choose a slide size. Small, I've seen, looks nicer in eClass, but you can play with this how you would like. Determine how fast you want it to advance to the next slide. This may depend on how much text you have on slides or how many photos. I want to make sure I check this, Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. This way, when my eClass page comes up with my slideshow, it's automatically going to start playing the slides. And this one, Restart the Slideshow after the last slide, is going to loop my slideshow so that those photos will keep rotating as long as the person has the page open. I'm going to click Publish. It asks, are you sure? Okay, yes I am. And it tells you here it's already all highlighted. Look, it's blue. So I just press Control-C on my keyboard to copy that. And I have finished publishing my slideshow. I'm ready to take that copied embed code and put it into my eClass page. So I'll make another video showing that piece.